This is an African emperor scorpion. It measures 7 inches to be exact. Now imagine that scorpion in your mouth.
The big scorpion, his main concern are his claws. His claws are strong enough to where if he wanted to, he could remove my tonsils or cut my tongue in half.
Dean Sheldon from Castaic, California doesn't seem to mind the tonsil tickler and attempts to set a new record. But the scorpion is not eager. An involuntary tonsillectomy or sting in his mouth could cause Dean to suffocate. As seconds seem like hours, he's done it. The 7-inch scorpion is in his mouth. Dean Sheldon now has the Guinness World Record for holding the largest scorpion in his mouth. All the way from mainland China, Mr. Gao Ling is clearly a man with a sense of style. But these hooks are more functional than fashionable.
All right, perfect.
Gao hopes his hoops will haul this Volkswagen across this Beijing stage. That's 3,443 pounds of German engineering attached to his ears. He's pulled the car 33 feet.
We have a new world record
for the heaviest vehicle pulled by earrings. Salt Lake City has not one but 2 handfuls of knockout nails. She's been growing them since 1979.
They were healthy, and I thought, oh, I'm going to see how far they go before they start twisting out of shape.
But they never did. Now with nails at a whopping 24 feet 7 inches, Lee holds the Guinness World Record for the longest fingernails on a pair of hands. Billy and Benny McCrary have been big since they were little. Finally tipping the scales at a combined 1,466 pounds, they have double billing as the world's heaviest twins.
Our pants are a little large. I guess you can tell why they're sagging here in the front.
There's only one way to fill them out. Breakfast.
Dozen orders of bacon, half-gallon of orange juice. I'll see if I'm still hungry before I eat the pancakes.
With waist measuring a rotund 84 inches, the twins' record-setting size is blamed on a pituitary disorder. It's tough to get around, even requiring 2 airline seats apiece when traveling.
Anybody laughs at me and Benny, as long as they laugh and laugh us, it's okay. But if they laugh at us, we'll step on their toes.